Hello students, in this video I will explain that why sodium borohydride NaBH4 is mild reducing agent compared to LiAlH4 lithium aluminium hydride. We all know that sodium borohydride is weak reducing agent compared to LiAlH4 lithium aluminium hydride. What is the reason behind it? We have to explain that. So to understand this, first of all, we have to know the mechanism of NaBH4, means why we used NaBH4 as a reducing agent, or we can say that how NaBH4 act as a reducing agent. Let's see. NaBH4, there are two ions, Na positive, that is the cation, and BH4 negative. BH4 negative. Now if we see BH4 negative and if we draw the structure of BH4 negative, then it's like that: BH, H, H and H. Means boron is making 4 sigma bond with hydrogen. That's why boron will acquire negative charge, because the valency of boron is 3. It is making 1 bond extra. That's why boron have negative charge. Clear? And we all know that charged species are unstable in organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, charged species are unstable. For any chemistry, the charged species are unstable. That's why it want to diminish or it want to finish its negative charge. That's why what happen? Any one H would be released as a H negative. Any one of H means, suppose this H would take up the electron from this species and then it would be released as H negative ion. Clear? And second is BH3. BH3 is more stable compared to BH4 negative because it have no charge. Now this H minus ion are known as hydride ion. Hydride ion. So we can understand that sodium borohydride are hydride ion donor. So basically NaBH4 is hydride ion donor. Hydride ion donor. So suppose any compound like carbonyl compound, aldehyde, ketone, when react with NaBH4, then it donate its hydride ion to that aldehyde or ketone and reduce that, because we know if that is our ketone, correct, and this will donate its hydride ion to that ketone and ketone would be reduced. Why? Because we all know that reduction is the process of addition of hydrogen. So that would be reduced. Now if we compare it with LiAlH4, in LiAlH4 lithium aluminium hydride, there is one cation, that is Li plus, and another is anion AlH4 negative. If we draw the structure of AlH4 negative, then its structure is also like that: Al, H, H, H and H. And aluminium have negative charge. Now what happened? This also donate one hydride ion, because aluminium have valency 3. And if it donate its hydride ion, then it convert into a neutral species AlH3. That's why we can say LiAlH4 is also a hydride ion donor. Hydride ion donor. So NaBH4 and LiAlH4 both are hydride ion donor. Then why NaBH4 is mild reducing agent? It's just because aluminium have more atomic size or greater atomic size than boron. That's why the bond between aluminium and hydrogen atom would be weak. That's why LiAlH4 release its hydride ion more easily or at faster rate. That's why LiAlH4 is more stronger reducing agent compared to NaBH4. That is the reason that LiAlH4 can reduce ester, but NaBH4 cannot reduce ester. Thank you.